Hello, and welcome to Tech on Plastics. My name is Brandon, and I'm the upholstery tech here. Today I'm going to go over a couple of things that we have to deal with when we finally tear down a seat to the frame. Usually we have to look over the frame and make sure that there's no broken springs or anything else that needs to be tended to. After that, we go through the rust removal process, which is where we take a wire brush to all the rust, sand it, then we use a rust neutralizer, then prime and paint the frame, controlling any rust issues that may be a problem down the road. Afterwards, we put a decking material on, which is usually a burlap. From the burlap, we stick carpet padding on top, which is also called jute. This right here helps insulate the frame properly to protect the foam from sagging in between the frames. In our next video, we'll talk more about what we can do with the foam. Thank you for your time. My name is Brandon. You have a great day.